Igsoon natong scripture reading karon na sa Proverbs chapter 30 verse number 24. Ingon ang balang kasulatan, there be four things which are little upon the earth, but they are exceeding wise. Igsoon kung imong basahon ang Proverbs chapter 30 verse number 24 to 28, dira nimo makita nga ang Bible naghisgot og four things which are little upon the earth, but they are exceeding wise. Unsa man ni sila igsoon? Ants, conies, locust, ug spider. Igsoon isgutan nato karon ang ants part 2 na pod ang uban. Ingon ang Proverbs chapter 30 verse number 25. The ants are a people not strong, yet they prepare their meat in the summer. Kani nga verse igsoon is using ants as a metaphor to teach wisdom. Bisan pa sa ilang pagkagamay, ants are wise because they plan ahead. Unsa may wisdom nga makuha nato sa ants? Number one, wisdom isn't about strength. Pasabot igsoon ba, even the weak can be wise and successful through planning and diligence. Ikaduha nga makuha nato nga wisdom sa ants is preparation is wise. It's smart to take advantage of good times to prepare for the future. Ikatulo nga wisdom nga makuha nato sa ants is hard work and foresight pay off. Igsoon, ants dili tapulan. They work while they can, which is principle that applies to life, work, and even spiritual readiness. Muna igsoon, be wise like an ants.